Okay, so guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can install DeepSeek extension in Google Chrome. Just open Google Chrome. When you open it, just type here DeepSeek extension. When you type it, you will see at the top, guys, it will be the DeepSeek AI. We can just use that, or we have another extension which is the DeepSeek extension. We can use that too. So this is the DeepSeek.ai extension, guys. As you guys can see, it will run in Google Chrome using the extension, guys. So it is released in February 2, guys. So yeah, it is very new. What we have to do is click on add to Chrome, add extension. When we do that, the extension will download and it will be installed in our Google Chrome. As you guys can see, now the extension is installed. I can just pin this extension, then I can just click on this extension again to check it. As you guys can see, it is working, guys. We can just log in into the account of DeepSeek, then we can just use this extension. So that is basically a browser based extension, guys. You can just use that if you want to. Many people have the same queries, so yeah, I thought it will be good to make a video on that. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys.